All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I actually installed a rear diffuser on the V. It's a carbon fiber diffuser. Ordered it from eBay. I think it was like 35 bucks. So if you guys want to put a diffuser in your car, it's a DIY. Simply just two-way sticky tape, add it on the sides, easy install, gives it a pretty good look on the V. And then yesterday I actually finished off the black trim on the side. I actually did it myself, which I was surprised. I actually did it pretty good. But the V is looking good. She needs to be washed, but as you guys see, it's cloudy out here today. She's looking good. Right now, probably gonna go to the exhaust shop. We're gonna probably do spark plugs, wires, check on it and just make sure everything's running correctly. Because sometimes at higher speeds, for some reason, I don't know why, extremely high, like let's say about like 120, 130, the traction control likes to come on and shit like that. So we're just gonna check on it and make sure she's doing okay, and then go from there. But I'm probably gonna add some clips about the rear diffuser in here so that you guys can do it for your own car. Pretty much any car that has a section like this and a piece at the bottom where you can add, where you can place something, you can add one of these on it. So nearly any car. So I'll just add some clips from when I was getting ready to prep this and then put it on the car. It was pretty dark. I was gonna make a video yesterday, but it was pretty dark, so I couldn't do it. So just stay tuned for these clips, and then I'll head to the exhaust shop. Let's this thing open. Get the cap back. Alright, so here it is, guys. It is a carbon fiber rear diffuser. Pull it out of plastic for you. So here it is. Carbon weave, and it comes with like a two-way sticky tape, so that basically you can mount it however you want it. Basically, you're gonna put it along the lines right here on the edges, and then just mount it on the car. The V is looking good. So what I'm gonna use is degreaser, towel. I'm probably gonna need that blade to cut the damn two-way sticky tape. So you're gonna need a degreaser. You want a microfiber, something to cut your two-way with. And we're gonna head over to the V right now. So back here in the rear of the V, looks good. I like the way the bumper flares out. The booty is kind of empty back here. So basically what we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to mount this pretty much under there like so. Give it like a little bit of aggressiveness. Basically, so what I'm gonna do is just clean the bottom of the bumper. So for this to work, the bottom of your bumper pretty much needs to have like this little tab down here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of dark. Let me put the flash on. All right, there we go, we got the flash on. Pretty much this tab right here, this little spot is where this basically will mount up to the bottom. So you basically need to just clean this part off right here. Use the degreaser, your towel, and just wipe this down. And then you kind of want to wipe the diffuser down that you ordered. Wipe all this down, and then prep your area where the two-way sticky tape is gonna stick. Because if not, your thing's gonna just go flying off, and you're not gonna have it anymore. So it'll be a waste of money. So let me go ahead and prep this bottom, this rear of the bumper, and then catch up with you guys. All right, now that I got the surface pretty much wiped down, use this towel pretty much to wipe it down. You really don't have to worry about in those crevices and shit, because I mean, of course the diffuser's not gonna get into that. Basically the base platform where the diffuser's gonna go, you want that to be clear. So now pull out the two-way. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on here, and then get ready to mount the diffuser. I'm trying to rush simply because I'm running out of daylight. I've been detailing all day, so this came in today, and I kind of want to see it on the car. So let me go ahead and mount this tape on here, and then continue from there. All right, the mounting of the tape is pretty much done. Usually people just put two strips, one at the bottom, one at the top. I always go to extra precaution, put one on the side, two in the middle, one on each side, just like that. And then now we get to go ahead and take off the red, and then just set it up there and mount it. All right, guys, so we here at the shop. So we found an issue, man. We were pulling the spark plug wires. Check this out, man. We got one wire that was over here, basically damn near ripped in half. So, man, boy, it was good. GoPro popping. Well, don't know if you guys can see it, but I added a lip to the front that I custom made. I cut it from a Mustang lip. I don't know if you guys follow my channel, but if there's a red Mustang GT that I had, a 5.0, I took the OEM lip that I had, that I removed it and cut it, and I made that little lip for it. The rear diffuser still doing good. I put some screws on it to make sure it's reinforced. So that's the V right now. I think next week we may start doing heads and cam and shit like that, so stay tuned, guys. We got some mods coming, man. We do need to get a set of 17-inch drag radials or some new tires, some Nitos or something, because these are just spinning. But she doing good. But yeah, as far as this lip, if you guys want to make something like this, basically this little centerpiece, it adds onto the sides, because that little centerpiece, like a whole lip, is like $300 and something. But I always keep extra parts that I take off of my old cars. So I went in the garage, I found the 2014 Mustang 5.0 lip that I had, the OEM one, and I just cut it right there and just added it to the bottom, and now we have a full lip. The carbon fiber pieces are still on their way. They're taking too long. They're coming from China or some shit, so they're taking forever to come in. I might just cancel the order and try to find some more or something like that, but everything's blacked out. Look like a whole different car now.